To activate core bundling, I select the core bundle option in the creation area of the main ribbon. When activating this, an option appears in the document grid titled CB Exclude. I can select this option for any document that I would like to exclude from the bundle. The document will still appear in the index, however, it will not be included in the PDF. We also offer some customization options for the core bundle, which can be accessed through further formatting options in the main ribbon. At the bottom of the screen, you can see a section titled Core Bundles. Here I can set core bundle items to be grey in the index or have a strike through. I can also choose to prefix the title with a symbol. Additionally, we have an index footer text field, which allows you to explain that greyed items will be excluded from this version of the bundle. I'm now going to click OK to save the changes I've made. I'm now ready to go through my bundle and select the documents I wish to exclude. I can also exclude a full section by multi-selecting the documents with my Control button, opening Properties Explorer, and clicking the Exclude from Core Bundle option. That then excludes all documents that I have selected from the core bundle. If at any time I would like to create the PDF with all documents included, I can deselect the core bundle option and the full bundle will be created. Bundling will also remember your excluded documents for when you re-enable core bundling. I'm now ready to create my PDF. When the bundle is produced, you can see that my index footer notes have been carried through. My excluded documents are greyed out and not included in the bundle.